Do your eyes feel like they're full of sand? You're not alone. 1 in 3 people struggle with dry, itchy eyes, and today I'm sharing 7 simple fixes that actually work. No fancy jargon, just real solutions. Let's get those eyes feeling fresh again. First up, artificial tears. These over-the-counter drops are like a drink of water for your eyes. Use them 2 to 3 times a day, but avoid ones with redness relief. They can make things worse. Pro tip: keep them in the fridge for extra soothing power. Staring at screens for too long? You blink 60% less, which dries out your eyes. Set a reminder. Every 20 minutes, blink slowly 10 times. It may feel silly, but it helps. Dry air can cause dry eyes. Use a humidifier to add moisture. Just $20 can make a difference. Bonus: your skin benefits too. Take an omega-3 supplement daily. Studies show they boost tear quality. If you hate pills, eat salmon, walnuts, or chia seeds. They are rich in omega-3. Here's my 5th fix: a warm compress. Heat unclogs oil glands in your eyelids. Do this for 5 minutes daily. It's like a spa day for your eyes. If you have sticky eyelids, mix a little baby shampoo with water and gently clean your lash line. Do this daily to keep away irritation. Last but not the least, avoid smoke, wind, and ace drafts. Wear wraparound sunglasses outside. And if you're a contact lens user, give your eyes a break. If your eyes are still screaming after 2 weeks, see a doctor. Chronic dry eye could mean allergies or autoimmune issues. Don't ignore it.